The family structure is rapidly changing and evolving. The Department of Statistics in Malaysia reported a decline in marriage rates by 4.9% between 2016 and 2017, and another 1.2% between 2018 and 2019. A study by Dr. Nurmani revealed that cohabitation is an increasing phenomenon in Malaysia. However, Malaysian law does not recognize cohabitation.
Life is short. I want to live with the one I love when I have time. I want to spend more time with him.
A factor that helps family life in terms of cohabitation is a family structure in itself. According to the Department of Statistics, divorce rates were seen to rise by 12% between 2018 and 2019. Research demonstrates that cohabitation allows individuals to gain practical experience in living together. It is believed that theoretically, cohabiting couples would have an advantage in terms of living experience over couples who did not cohabitate prior to getting married. Newly married couples often have disputes and issues that need to be resolved. However, couples who had cohabitated before marriage would have already dealt with these issues, leaving them with fewer problems to solve, thus reducing divorce rates.
Yes, but it depends on personal wishes. I think cohabitate before getting married allow us to know if each other is suitable for marriage together. This prevents people from getting divorced because of they are not suitable, such as personality or habits.
Another factor that aids family life in terms of cohabitation is the government. There are no legal restrictions on cohabitation for non-Muslim couples. Unfortunately, the same can't be said for Muslim couples. Although Muslim couples are restricted from living together premaritally under Islamic law, non-Muslim couples are given the opportunity to cohabitate and improve their relationship quality prior to entering a marital contract. Research illustrates an increase in the trend of cohabitation and a decrease in marriage rates worldwide, possibly indicating that people are more in favor of cohabiting before getting married. On the downside, cohabitation is not widely promoted within the Malaysian culture. The Malaysian culture tends to follow a traditional family structure, where cohabitation is often seen as immoral. Research asserts that although Malaysia is a multiracial country, major religions such as Christianity, Islam, and Hinduism are said to be against cohabitation on the grounds that premarital sex or premarital pregnancy is deemed immoral.
Like for Muslims, they kind of stop non-married couples from living together. So I think
Additionally, the government contributes to the hindrance of cohabitation in Malaysia. Children born out of wedlock are seen as illegitimate children. Illegitimate children are stripped of certain rights such as the right to buy their own property or open a bank account. According to the Legitimacy Act of 1961, an illegitimate child can only claim the property belonging to his mother provided she has no legitimate children alive. Naturally, this becomes an issue for cohabiting couples with accidental or planned pregnancies who are not ready to enter a marital union. Perhaps to adapt to this change in the family structure, the public requires knowledge on the benefits of cohabitation. Although culturally, cohabitation is deemed inappropriate, educating the public via the media and relevant campaigns would broaden people's minds and help them be more open to the idea of cohabitation. NGOs play a significant role in bringing about change as well, by seeking their assistance in lobbying legislators to protect the rights of illegitimate children on the basis of discrimination. By enacting relevant laws, their rights could be protected, and financial support could be given to cohabiting families. Lobbying the government is a common and effective approach NGOs often utilize to advocate for change.
As far as I know, in Malaysia, child who is born out of wedlock may face problems in things like opening a bank account, registering for school admission, and even buying their own property. So I think if the child is given the same rights and opportunities as other children, like both parents' names can be officially registered as the child's parents without going through any complicated processes. I think it can create a better future for the child and they do not have to face unnecessary challenge from the system.